Forgot to signal a few blocks back. Question, how many parking tickets is excessive? Like 45, 50, 86?
Not everyone tells it like it is, but at Centex, that's our thing, especially when it comes to concrete repair. Centex foundation repair can stabilize and lift your uneven driveways, patios, and sidewalks at a fraction of the cost of full replacement. And if you don't need repairs, we'll tell you.
Turn signal.
Visit WeLevelIt.com for a free concrete evaluation. Centex. Preserve today, protect tomorrow.